So I will be creating a widget for the button because in future I might be using buttons for many times. So why not to create a custom button for us, not to write the code every time style the code, every time write the code, right? So I will create a widgets folder which will contain my custom widgets. So I'm creating a primary button widget, and so I have wrote this code in my previous application. So I'm just copy pasting it at theme light. So let me explain you what I did earlier. I have created a stateless button widget because it is not maintaining any state, it is just a button. The state is maintained by the screen itself, and it is accepting a few parameters like on press, which is a required parameter, text I'm using to write like display the text over there. And I know that I wrote the simpler functions that I want outline button or not. This is the default values that by default it will be false, and these are the two required parameters. So here I wrote all the code with all the checks so that it will be easy for me just to pass a single parameter and it will configure the whole button for me. So that's the advantage of creating custom widgets. Okay, fine. So instead of the material button or elevated button or any kind of other button, I am using my primary button, which is okay, primary button. And instead of the child, I have the parameter of text, which I will write generate. Okay, so let's see. Nice. All the code is available in the GitHub. If you want, you can take. Okay, so let's move forward. Let's try to get the package get. It is for the state management purpose. So you can go to the pub.dev and there you can search the get package. Just click on this button to copy the package. Go to the VS Code, go to the pubspec.yaml file, and under the dependencies section, next to the potato icons, paste this. Okay. Now you need to run a command flutter pub get, but VS Code generally run this command automatically, as you can see. Automatically whenever it detects any change in this file, but somehow if it is not working or somehow it is not automatically running the command, then you need to run the flutter pub get command to apply the latest changes. We also need this package. Let me add this to. So these two packages I'm going to use into my application in the next video. So I will explain you how you can write the code for the Google Generative AI, how to write a prompt,